Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So if your iPhone iMessage is not working and it is showing waiting for activation or activation unsuccessful or saying an error occurred during activation, or if there is any other problem you are seeing, then you need not worry, because in today's video I'm going to tell you how you can solve all the problems of the messages. Now first go to settings and go to Wi-Fi and make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi. Now go to General, then click on Software Update and confirm that you have the latest version of iOS installed on your iPhone. If you have not, then install it. After confirming this, now go to Date and Time and confirm that your date and time is correct. Now go back to the Settings menu and scroll down. Here you have to click on the Messages option, turn off the iMessages, then wait 3 to 4 minutes and then turn it on again. Guys, waiting for activation will be written below. Don't worry, it will be gone in a while. So guys, if the iMessages is not working after trying this method, then try the next method. For that, go back to Settings menu, click on your Apple ID at the top of the page. Here, sign out your Apple ID. Enter your Apple ID password to sign out. Click Turn Off at the top right corner of the feed. Keep a copy of your data on this iPhone. Data removed from this iPhone will still be available in iCloud. Click on Sign Out. Click Sign Out to confirm. Now wait for a while, then sign in your Apple ID again. You have to enter your iPhone passcode. So guys, after signing in the Apple ID, go back to Messages. Here wait for a few seconds to sign in. Your Apple ID will be signed in automatically. So after doing this, your iMessage problem will be solved. If this video helped you out, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.